Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be sharing with you one of the best African snack, spicy peppered and onion milky puff puff. Continue watching and kindly subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification bell for you to be notified when we drop a new video. So let's go straight into today's video. The full recipe will be in the description box below. So for the yeast mixture, we are going to go in with our water, our sugar, our yeast. Like I said, the full recipe will be in the description box below. Then you mix this mixture, then set aside. So for the peppered aspect, you're going to go in with your red scotch bonnet, yellow scotch bonnet, onions. I make use of garlic and ginger, and it gave it a very nice and yummy aroma. So you grate this together and set aside. Don't worry, the full recipe is in the description box. Then go in another bowl with your flour, sift flour, that's our powdered milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt. Then you mix and incorporate very well. Then it's time for us to go in with the yeast mixture. You can make use of your hand for this. You can mix with your hand. I made use of hand mixer. You mix until fluffy, but note, don't over mix this, please. Don't over mix. Then you go in with the grated pepper. Don't over mix. It's time to set aside to cover for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. So this is after 1 hour. You can see it has doubled, or let me say tripled in size. You must get this consistency, not so watery. It must be fluffy. It must be fluffy and dry. Then here I am making use of my dough dispenser. You can make use of your hand, you can make use of plastic bottle, but I'm going in with the dough dispenser. You can say that is onions to give it a nice smell. I had to include onions. I added onions to the hot oil. The oil should not be too hot. Fry under low heat. Then you gradually turn. Then drain on a baking sheet. Our yummy, spicy, peppered small chops is ready. Are you an aspiring baker, or are you ready to take your baking skills, event planning skills, graphic design skills, and other skill acquisition to the next level? This online training is definitely for you. Click on the link in the description box below to join our mastery community today.